Good morning, dear viewers. Welcome to our today's session of online maths classes for Standard 7. So today we will begin with new lesson, that is lines and angles. In that we will see first is exercise 5.1. So let us read out the first example. Find the complement of each of the following angles. So complementary and supplementary angle. What are complementary and supplementary angles? So complementary angles are the angles whose sum is 90 degree, and supplementary angles are the angles whose sum is 180 degree. So here we have to find out the complement. So some measures of angles are given. So what we have to do here to find out the complement of each of the following angles, what we will do, we will subtract this from 90. If we subtract this from 90, then we will get the complements of these angles. Okay, so first example is to find out the complements. So let us solve. So to find out the complement, we need to subtract this given measure from 90 degree. Okay, so if we take this 90 degree minus 20 degree. So 90 minus 20 is what? That is 70 degree. So 70 degree is the complement of this angle. Okay, 20 degree. Next is 63 degrees. Again same we will do to find out the complement. We will subtract it from 90 degree. 90 degree minus 63 degree. Okay, so 90 minus 63 is what? 90 minus 63 is what? This will become 8, this will become 10, 10 minus 3 that is 7, 8 minus 6 that is 2. So this will be what? 27 degree is the complement, okay, of this 63 degree. Next is what? 57 degrees. Again subtract this from 90 degree, 90 minus 57 degree. So here 90 minus 57, so that will be what? This will be 8, this will become 10, 10 minus 7 is what? 3, 8 minus 5 is what? Again 3. Okay, so again if we add this, 7 plus 3 is 10, 1 will go 5, 1 plus 6, 5, 6 and 3, 9, 90 degree. Okay, so these were the complements, okay, of these given angles. Next is example number 2. So next example is example number 2. Example number 2 is find the supplement of each of the following angles. Of each of the following angles. In that first is 105 degree. This is your first example. Now to find out the supplement, we need to know what are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are angles. Supplementary angles are the angles, means the sum of two angles whose sum is what? Measure is 180 degree. Okay, so here to find out the supplements, we will be subtracting the given angle from 180 degree. Okay, so we will take this and subtract it from 180 degree. 180 minus 105 degree. So 180 degree minus 105 degree. This will be what? Here it is 0, so we will be borrowing from the next degree. Okay, neighboring degree. This will become 7, this will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 0, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. So the supplementary angle for 105 degree is what? 75 degree. Okay, so this is the supplement. 75 degree. Next is what? Second one. That is 87 degree. So again we will subtract this 87 from 180 degree. 180 minus 87 degree. 180 minus 87. This will become 7. This will become 10. 10 minus 7 is what? 3. This will become 0. This will become 17. 17 minus 8 is what? 9. 17 minus 8 is what? 9. 93. Okay. So 93 degree is your complement. Okay. 93 degree is your supplement. Sorry. Next. This is 154 degree. We have to find out the supplement. So again, what we will do, we will subtract from 180 degree. So 180 minus 154. This will become 7. This will become 10. 10 minus 4 is what? 6. 7 minus 5 is what? 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So here you get 26 degrees. So 26 degree is your supplement of 154 degree. Okay. So to find out the complement, you will subtract from 90 degree, and to find out the supplement of the given angle, you will subtract from 180 degree. Okay. So the supplementary angle for 105 and 105 degree is what? 75 degree. The supplementary angle for 87 degree is what? 93 degree. And the supplementary angle for 154 degree is what? 26 degrees. Okay. So this was our example number 2. Next is example number 3. Next is example number 3, that is identify which of the following pairs are complementary and supplementary. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. So here some measures of pair of angles are given. So we need to find out which of the angles are complementary and which are supplementary. So first example is 65 degree, 115 degree. So here what we have to do, First of all, you must remember the definition of complementary angle and supplementary angle. The definition of complementary angle. Complementary means two angles having sum of 90 degree, and supplementary means two angles having sum 180 degree. So what we will do here, we will add the two angles, and if the sum is 90 degree, then those two angles will be what? Complementary. And if the sum will be 180 degree, then those two angles will be supplementary. So let us add. So here if we add this 65 plus 115, 5 plus 5 0, 1 6 7 1 8 1. So the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So we can say that this angle, or it is a supplementary angle. Okay. Second one, 63 degree comma 27 degree. Let us add this 63 plus 27. This will become 10, 1 plus 6 7 plus 2 9, 90 degree. Okay, so we can say that it is a complementary angle. Third one, 112 degree comma 68 degree. So what we will do here, we will add 112 plus 68. 2 plus 8 10, 1. This will become 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8, 180. Okay, so the sum is 180. So what we can write here, we can say that this is supplementary angle. Okay. Next, fourth one is 130 and 50. 130 comma 50. So simply you can write 130 degree plus 50 degree. After adding 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 3, that is 8, and 1. So you can say that from this, if the sum is 180, you can say that this is a supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. Okay, so what you have to do here, you have to add the given angles, and if the sum is 90 degree, then those angles will be complementary angle, and if the sum is 180 degree, then those angles will be supplementary angles. So here first one we have done, that is the sum came to 180, so therefore we have written supplementary. The sum came to 90 degree, therefore we have written complementary. The sum came to 180 degrees, so we have written supplementary. The sum came to 180, therefore we have written supplementary. Next, let us see fifth one. That is fifth one is 45 degree comma 45 degree. So let us add this two angles, 45 plus 45. 5 plus 5, that is 10. 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is 9. So this came to 90 degree. Okay, so what we can write here, we can write this is a complementary angle. Complementary. This is a complementary angle. So we can write here complementary. Next is sixth one. That is 80 degree comma 10 degree. So let us add this 80 degree and 10 degree. 80 degree plus 10 degree. This will be what? 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 1, 9 degree. Sorry, 9. 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 1, 9, 90 degree. So what we can say that this is a complementary angle. Okay. So first example was 65 comma 115. The sum came to 180 degrees, so that is supplementary angle. After adding 63 plus 27, we got 90. So this is a complementary angle. 112 plus 68. that is 112 plus 68 came to 180, that is supplementary angle 130 plus 50. So 130 plus 50 is 180 degree, that is supplementary angle. Here that is 45 plus 45, 45 plus 45 is 90 degree, that is complementary angle. And 80 plus 10, that is 80 plus 10 is 90 degrees, so therefore we have written here complementary angle. So complementary angles are the angles whose sum is 90 degree, and supplementary angles are the angles whose sum is 180 degree. Okay, so if the sum is 180 degree, then we can say that it is supplementary angle, and the sum is 90 degree, then we can say it as complementary angles. Okay, so here we have finished our example number 3. Okay, next is example number 4. Next is example number 4. So that is find the angle which is equal to its complement, which is equal to its complement. So here we have to find out one angle, okay, which is equal to its complement. So there will be two angles and both will be equal, and the sum of both the angles will be what? 90 degree. Okay, so here we can say that let the angle be x degree, we don't know. Okay, so we have to find out the complement of the angle. Okay, we have to find out an angle which is equal to its complement. Okay, so what we can say that both the angles, that is x, we don't know, let the angle be x, x plus x is equal to what? 90 degree. Complement means what? 90 degree. Okay, so we have to find out such an angle which is equal to its complement. Okay, so x plus x is equal to 90 degree. So here we can write that 2x, x plus x is what? 2x is equal to 90 degree, and x is equal to 90 upon 2, that is 2 ones are and 2 45s are, x is equal to 45 degree. So here we have found out that this is the angle which is equal to its complement. So if we write like this, 45 degree plus 45 degree, that will be equal to 90 degree. So here we are having an angle which is equal to its complement. Okay, this both the angles are equal. Okay, so we can say that 45 is the complement of 45. Okay, so this was our example number 4. Next is example number 5. Example number 5. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Supplement. So here supplement means what? 180 degree. So here also same case, what we have to do, we have to find out such an angle whose supplement will be what? 180 degree. We have to find out an angle which is equal to its supplement. Here in the earlier example it was complement, that is 90 degree, and here in this example it is supplement. We have to find out such an angle which is equal to its supplement. So So here same process we will apply. Let the angle be x degree. Okay, so from this what we can write, x plus its complement both are equal to its what? Supplement. So this will be 180 degree. Okay, so x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So this will be what? 2x is equal to 180 degree. We can write that this 2 will go here in division. X is equal to 180 upon 2, that is 2 ones are and 2 90s are. Okay, so what we can write, x is equal to 90 degree. So we can say that the complement of 90 degree, 90 plus 90 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. So here we have found out an angle which is equal to its supplement. Okay, so 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. So x is what? 90 degree. So this was your example number 5. Next is example number 6. In the given figure, example, that is angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles, The figure is like this. If angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary. So here we have been given two angles whose sum is what? 180 degree. So what is asked here, if angle 1 is decreased, if this angle 1 is decreased, means if it is reduced, then what changes should take place in this angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary. See here, if angle 1 is decreased, if we reduce this angle, then we have to increase this second angle, okay, angle 2. Okay, so we can write, if angle 1 is decreased, then angle 2 should be increased by same measure, So whatever extent, whatever degree we are reducing this angle 1, so to same extent, same measure, we have to increase this angle 2. Oh, so both the angles would be what? Supplementary. Same measure. Then both the angles still remain supplementary. Supplementary means the sum is 180 degree. Supplementary. So here what was asked to us, if this angle 1 is reduced, then what changes should take place in angle 2? So obviously if this angle 1 will be reduced, then angle 2 we have to increase by same amount, by same measure, by same extent. Okay, so if we do that, then if we add this both 1 plus 2, then the sum will be what? Equal to 180 degree. Okay, so that was asked. So we have to reduce the angle 2 by same amount, so that both the angles still remain supplementary. So this was example number 6. Next is example number 7. Next is example number 7. So can two angles be supplementary if both of them are, first one acute, second one obtuse, and third one right. So here, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are, first one acute, second one obtuse, and third one right? So here what is asked to us, that if the two angles, if the sum of two angles, if the sum of two acute angles, okay, if we add any two acute angles, then will that sum be equal to 180 degree? Okay, will it be supplementary? If we take any two obtuse angles, then will the sum of those two obtuse angles will be equal to 180 degree? And if we add two right angles, then will that sum of those two right angles will be equal to 180 degree? So here we have to check acute angle, any angle which is less than 90 degree, so that angle is what? Acute angle. Right angle which is equal to 90 degree, so that will be what? Your right angle. And if the measure of angle is greater than 90 degree, okay, but less than 180 degree, so that angle will be what? Your obtuse angle. So let us see here, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute angles? So 90, less than 90 is what? 89 degree. So this is your greatest acute angle. So let us add 89 plus 89. So this will be what? 99, what? 18, 1 carried. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17. So this will be what? 178 degree. Okay, if you take the biggest acute angle, 180 degree, which is not equal to 180 degree, so it will not be supplementary, not be supplementary. So here we can say no in first case. Second, obtuse angle, okay, the smallest obtuse angle is what? 91, okay, degree after 91. So if we add 91 plus 91, so 1 plus 1, 2, 9 plus 9, 1 plus 1, 2, 9 plus 9 is what? 18. So this will be what? 182 degree, which is not equal to 180 degree. So here we can say that no, okay, two angles, two obtuse angles cannot be supplementary. And next, if the two angles are right, 90 plus 90, 90 plus 90, 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 9, 18. So 180 degree, which is supplementary. Okay, so what we can write? Yes. So only in one case, that is third case, if both the angles are right, then the sum of their measures will be equal to what? 180 degree, that is, it will be supplementary. If both the angles are acute, then if you take 89 plus 89. Okay, 178. So the sum does not comes to 180 degree. So we can see that if two angles are acute, their sum is not equal to 180 degree. Both the angles are obtuse more than 90, that is 91 plus 91 if we did, so that will be equal to what? 182 degree. So this is not equal to 180 degree. So the sum of two obtuse angles will not be equal to what? 180 degree. That will be, it is not supplementary. So we wrote here no. And if the two angles are 90 degree, that is 90 plus 90, if we add this together, then the sum comes to 180 degree. So that therefore we can say that yes, if two angles are right angles, then those two angles are supplementary angles. Yes. So here we have finished for today. Okay. Remaining examples we will see in our next lesson. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day.